Summer Pre-Collection 20p unboxing. If you haven't seen part 1, I will put the link down below. So I want to share what I got from the collection, so let's get started. Here's the receipt. Let me open this one first. So here's my CC stud earrings. It has a crystal and pearl. I love the size. It's not too big and not too small. Just the right size for me. It looks simple but elegant. So let me wear it on so you can see it. There. Let's open this. This is my first necklace from Chanel. It has a crystal, a star, and a pearl. Look how pretty it is. I like it. So let me take it out so you can see it. There. You could wear this to the lace. You could wear it long and short. So there's another hook in here that you can wear it short. If you want to wear it long, then here's the hook for it. There, and here's the back side. So let me wear it so you can see. Yeah, there you go. So pretty. Okay, let's open this. So, extra laces, 2 dust bags, and here it is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This is the Chanel Weekender logo lace sneakers. So this is in the black calfskin leather with white rubber sole. It has a lace up tie logo laces there. So this is how it looks like front. There's a Chanel side logo, and at the back there's a CC logo. I like this. It's very eye-catching. It's super cute. Out. So inside, there's the size and the style number. And inside it looks like this. It's made in Italy. So at the back you can see it says there's Chanel. On the bottom, clothing design, CC logo, and also there's made in Italy. It has a padded insole so you can walk all day comfortably. Love it! So excited to wear this one. Okay. So you could see them together. There. And if you don't want to use this logo laces, there's like plain one. So yeah, like this one. Open this. So here's the dust bag. The booklet. Clear everything out. Okay, so there you go. This is my mini Reissue flat bag in a color pink, my favorite color. This is my happy color, in the calfskin leather with antique gold hardware. There. Just remove this. Okay, so this is how it looks like in front, side, the back, the Mona Lisa pocket. Here's the bottom, and on the top there's 4 grommets. So here's the chain. So I like the chain. It looks like a jewelry. So here's the Mademoiselle turn lock. There. So when you open it, inside it has a matching leather interior, color pink. There's a small pocket here and a zipper pocket on the back. So let's open it. Here's the card. There, 29 series. The current collection, 20p. Spring and Summer pre-collection. And this is, let's check, where is it made? Oh, it's made in France. Love it. There you go. It's so pretty. I love the color. What I love about this bag is it's understated. It's not too flashy, so it's not obvious that you're wearing a Chanel bag unless you are a Chanel fan. And it's so versatile. You can wear it crossbody, over the shoulder. You can use it as a like single strap or double up the strap. It's super lightweight and it's a classic style. I'm so happy to add this to my collection. There you go. So I also have this one, the card holder, just to make a comparison. I mean, for the color. This is also from the current collection. There. This looks like a peach pink. Yeah, so pretty. Let's see what we can fit inside this bag. So these are my everyday essentials. My cell phone. I have the iPhone XS that I'm using right now for filming. My card holder as my wallet. Key holder. Compact wallet. I'm sorry, compact powder. So let me move things around, and lipstick. Hey, there you go. You can fit all inside. Sometimes I change my wallet and use this one instead. So let's see if we can fit it inside. This key holder, powder, and lipstick. Oh, there. Can also fit inside. Perfect. Let's do a quick modeling shot of the bag. For reference, I am 5'4.5", almost 5'5". So I hope you enjoy my unboxing for today. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!